Wow, Jenny, look what's come to the front door, being delivered by Star Trek Express. 2 big boxes.
From Brosa. What could be in there, Geoff?
We ordered a couple of bar stools, and hopefully that's what's in the box, because that's what we ordered. They were on sale, but anyway, we actually saw them at a local pub at the bar. We were sitting on them. We hope it's the same thing. What are we going to do if they're not the right thing, Jenny?
We'll improvise like we always do.
You want to do this one, because I don't know that anyone can see that on camera.
Okay, okay, rightio.
Do this one, I think.
Good.
I'll try not to cut your throat. This.
Wow, these are different. They're not the same.
They're not.
No.
Are they similar from what you can see?
They could be. We'll have to wait and find out.
Alright.
Can you lift the lid up and pull the box?
I'm going to put it on its side. Wow. I didn't know that it was all foamy.
It's made out of foam.
Made out of foam. What was that? It's from Brosa Furniture. Totally online experience this. I don't know, Jimmy. I think
The wood's just lighter.
it's a lighter coloured wood, but otherwise it's exactly the same as what we've seen. You're doing much better than me. But
You don't need that tape just snaps. You don't need to cut it, Geoff.
thank you, Jenny. You're better at this than me.
Unwrapping parcels, yeah. Online parcels.
How much did they, yes, our online parcels, how much did they cost us?
I think they were 260 each.
Like originally,
Yeah.
and we didn't pay that though,
No, we
I don't
didn't.
think, did we?
No. I think we paid $80-something each.
80? I thought
Oh, sorry, 180.
180? I thought they were 120.
Oh, okay. Better get the
Well, that we
invoice,
would-
Geoff. Maybe we should start this again.
We don't know how much they cost.
Get our facts first.
Let's stand that up.
Wow.
They're pretty heavy.
Needs some lacquer, I think.
That is
doesn't
a
it?
pretty heavy. I'll show you our old bar stools. That's our old ones.
They're still good and sturdy.
Yeah, oh yeah, they've been good. They've been around for quite a few years. Had them for a long time, but I think this is a bit of an upgrade. What's that?
Maybe we should have got another 2, Geoff.
We only got 2. We've had 4, and now we've gone down to 2. There you go. What do you think? And so
Oh, that's very greasy.
you're right there,
You
Jim.
don't touch that.
So that's the way you adjust the
Well
height.
oiled. Wow, what's that? It's oil.
Yeah.
Wow, very well oiled.
So there you go. That's how that works.
You're supposed to use the lever underneath the seat.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh no, that locks it.
Oh, does it?
That locks it in place, whichever way it goes. There you go. That will go down.
Okay.
So when you get the seat at the desired height, you lock it down. There you go. So that's what wasn't at the bar, because we were at the bar last night, and Jenny decided to have a bit of a look at the mechanism, and that was not locked. and you
Yes,
leant it over
excuse
and
me.
it went everywhere, and everybody watched what happened and
The
were totally
invoice should be
shocked.
on the box. It's not. Have you got the invoice, Jeff?
There you go. All right.
Sylvia.
And Sylvie loves it. Look at that. Sylvie's right into it.
Approval all round.
Everybody's happy with our new bar stools. We hope you are too.
So is
And
Harry, look.
And Harry's been watching. They will probably be the first to get up and give them a test drive.
Ooh.
There's our front doorbell. We better finish up the video and check out what's happening because there's another parcel coming, I believe. Yeah, I think it might be a hat for me. Let's just see what's come at the front door. Be right back.
The other stuff.
While we're at the opening up stuff, Sylvie's enjoying the bar stool, I'm glad to see. Where's that knife, Jenny?
You just rip it, Jeff. With your bare hands.
Oh. What have we got here? I think
Just pull the cap out, Jeff.
Jenny's right into getting stuff online. Clothing.
Well, maybe it's not the
Maybe it's
one.
not in here.
No, it's not that one. It's the wrong one.
Is it in one of the packages?
I don't know. No, it isn't. It's not here yet.
Forget that, it's all stuff for Jenny.
And grandchild.
Oh, okay.
Or
Alright.
other people.
Well, there you go. It looks as though the cats have approved the bar stool. They are going to have lots of fun spinning around on the seat. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you all again very soon. Bye.